One young, academically excellent person went to apply for a managerial position in a big company. He passed the first interview, and the director conducted the final one, making the last decision. The director noticed from the CV that the youth's academic achievements were exceptional, all the way from secondary school to postgraduate research. Never a single year without top scores. The director asked, "Did you obtain any scholarships in school?" The youth replied, "None." The director asked, "Was it your father who paid your school fees?" The youth answered, "My father passed away when I was 1 year old. It was my mother who paid for my education." The director asked, "Where did your mother work?" "My mother worked as a clothes cleaner." The director said, "Show me your hands." The youth showed a pair of hands that were smooth and perfect. The director asked, "Have you ever helped your mother wash clothes?" The youth replied, "Never. My mother always wanted me to study, and she can wash clothes faster than me." The director said, "I have a request. When you go back today, clean your mother's hands and come see me tomorrow morning." The youth felt his chances were high. When he returned home, he happily asked his mother to let him clean her hands. His mother felt strange, happy, yet with mixed emotions as she showed her hands. The youth began cleaning, slowly, carefully, and then a tear fell. For the first time, he noticed his mother's hands were wrinkled, covered in bruises. Some wounds were so painful that she shivered when touched by water. In that moment, he realized these hands washed clothes every day so he could study, so he could dream, so he could succeed. Those bruises were the price she paid for his future. After cleaning her hands, he silently washed all the remaining clothes. That night, mother and son talked for a very long time. The next morning, the youth returned to the director. The director noticed the tears in his eyes. "Tell me, what did you learn yesterday?" The youth said, "I cleaned my mother's hands and finished the remaining clothes." The director asked, "What did you feel?" The youth replied, "Number one, I now understand appreciation. Without my mother, there would be no successful me today. Number two, I realized how difficult it is to achieve something. Number three, I now value family and relationships." The director said, "This is exactly what I am looking for. A person who appreciates others, who understands suffering, and who does not chase money as the only goal. You are hired." Later, the young man worked very hard. He earned the respect of his team, everyone worked together, and the company's performance improved tremendously.
If someone does not understand the difficulty behind the comfort they enjoy, they will never truly value it. The most important lesson in life is to experience struggle and learn to respect the hard work behind every comfort.